Hi, I'm Alan from Caravan Information Services. In this video, we will demonstrate how to correctly hitch up the caravan to the car. This is an important process, and I will show you a test you can perform to make sure you are connected correctly. So let's begin by removing the security items and raising the corner steadies on the caravan.
Once removed, make sure the handbrake is applied and raise the hitch of the caravan to allow the tow ball to fit underneath. Reverse the car until the tow ball is underneath the caravan hitch. It's a good idea to have someone to watch your back, giving clear hand signals. As a guide, use the black dot on the side of the hitch as a reference to being in the correct place. Attach the breakaway cable now, just in case we need to move the caravan with the handbrake off. Once you've connected the breakaway cable, open the stabiliser handle and then raise the hitch handle and lower the caravan down onto the tow ball. The hitch handle should snap closed, and at this point we should raise the hitch of the caravan to pull the rear of the car upwards. We do this to prove the car and the caravan are correctly connected. Continue winding until you feel some resistance on the jockey wheel and the rear of the car has been lifted. And make sure that this test is completed with the stabiliser handle up and not engaged. If the stabiliser handle is engaged, it can provide a false result, making you think that the car and the caravan are correctly hitched, even when they're not. Once confirmed that the car and the caravan are correctly connected, lower the jockey wheel and stow it away in place. Then connect the towing electrics and close the stabiliser handle. Visually check that everything is tight. There's no cables that are caught and no towing electrics will snag on any part of the hitch of the caravan. Once complete, attach the towing mirrors to the car, then perform a lights check, making sure all lights on the car and the caravan work as expected.
That's it for now. We hope you have found this video useful. Check out the other help and advice videos in the services on our website. And while you're there, why not join the UK's fastest growing caravan and motorhome community? We offer great membership perks, including live chat support with an engineer for specialist and emergency advice. Hope to see you soon. Happy caravanning.